Come with me as I transform this chrome tapware into black using the Dulux Meta Shield. I start by putting all the materials together and then using a 240 grit sanding paper to sand the tap really well. Once that's completed, I then use a damp cloth and I just kind of clean it all around, making sure I remove any dirt from the sanding paper. Once it's all well cleaned, it's time to then dry it up, and I still use the same cloth and I kind of just dry it up really well just to make sure that the paint sticks well to the tap. Once that step is completed, I start taping the tap. So I do that really closely first, and I do bits by bits because my tap has a bit of a curved edge at the back, and I just make sure I tape that well and very thoroughly before applying the big plastic drop sheet. To use that one, I just have this one which has a little taping on it as well, which is really handy, and I just apply that one all over my countertops, my vanity and the mirrors, just to make sure I protect well, because no one wants to be cleaning it after. Once that's done, I have my paper box, and as always, safety first, so make sure you have your mask ready to go and place that one before starting any kind of paint. Once that's done, it's time to shake our can, and I do that side by side, up and down, just to make sure everything is really well mixed. And once that's done, it's time to start painting. So I start by going very lightly and all around it, just to make sure I'm not missing any spots, as well as no dripping anywhere. I let that one sit for about 2 hours or so before recoating. In between recoats, I like to flip my can upside down just to make sure nothing dries. Once it's been the 2 hours, we start recoating, and once again, shake your can and start applying it. Make sure you're looking for any mixed spots or anything like that. Go very lightly just so nothing drips once again. So once that one is done, it's time to remove our tape. So wait about 2 hours or more if you can before removing your tape, and once it's ready, just start removing the tape bits by bits. And if there is any spots, as you can see here, I've got a little spot that obviously went through. I just use my terps and I clean that up with terps and a cloth, and I just go over, and it cleans really well, and it's really easy. And that's it. We've got a brand new tap that looks so stylish and pretty, and we know that we're able to recycle and reuse and didn't break the bank doing it. So I hope you liked it, and see you soon. Bye.